Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use PhotoRoom templates for fast editing so you can create professional design in just a few taps. First, open the PhotoRoom app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Within it, you will be given two options. You can just tap from start to edit a new image from your gallery, or tap on content icon given at the bottom right corner to open all your previously edited images. Within it, you can just scroll down and tap on any image that you want, where it will redirect you to the editor. But if you want to start with a new photo, you can just come back to the home and tap start from photo and choose a photo from your library. As soon as you select the photo, PhotoRoom will automatically remove the background using AI, and this prepares your image for quick template editing. Now you will be redirected to a new page with different editing sections. From here, you can see different sections like suggested edits, edit with AI, classics, listing essentials, social essentials, and so on. These sections are filled with ready-made templates, so you can choose any. You can just simply tap on any template preview you like. The PhotoRoom will instantly apply the design to your photo and opens in the editor. Inside the editor, you can quickly customize the templates by editing the background colors or with images if you want, as well as adjust the position and size based on your preference. You can also add or remove elements like stickers or graphic, and after all the editing, when you are happy with the result, tap save, and it will redirect to ready to share screen, where you can choose options. Make sure that save to camera roll is choose, and then tap close design. This makes sure to successfully export the image in your device. And that's how you can use PhotoRoom templates for fast editing, which is perfect for social media, product image, and a quick designs without starting from the sketch. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.